Hey, this is Mr. D. Let's talk about cutting and joining paths, strokes. All right, this is what we want to do. In Adobe Illustrator, let's say that I have two paths, and I would like them to be one path. Let's get a good example here. Okay, so I've got two paths. Now it looks like those two paths are joined right there and that it will be just one path, but it's really not. It is just two paths. So we want to do cutting and joining. Okay, so cutting and joining are two separate things. Let's say that I want to combine all of these paths together to make one path. Well, right now there's three separate paths. Okay, let's combine them together by cutting and joining. First thing I need to do is I need to cut these paths, and I'm going to cut the rectangle first. So I want to make sure that it's on top of everything else on that layer. So I'll go to Object, Arrange, Bring to Front. Now I'm going to take the Scissors tool, which is underneath the Erasers tool, and I'm going to go right where I want to cut, and I'm going to cut it right there. Then I want to go right here, and I want to cut right there. Now, I'll take the black arrow, and I will just select the area that I want to delete. And it's now deleted. Now, I need to cut the other paths. So, to be more accurate, I will go to View and Outline, and zoom in. Now I want to cut these paths as well, and let's make sure though that they are on top, that this path is on top. So Object, Arrange, Bring to Front. Now I'll go get the Scissors tool and cut right there. Take the black arrow and select it and cut it. Now I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to make sure that this is on top, Object, Arrange, Bring to Front, get the scissors, and cut right there. Take the black arrow, select the part that I want to cut out. There it is. Okay. Now, I want to zoom in more because I want to now join these paths because these are still three separate paths. And so what I want to do is I want to get these, I'm going to make sure that these paths are sitting right on top of, that these anchor points are sitting right on top of each other. We're very close to it. All right, so I'm going to take the white arrow and I'm going to select both those anchor points that are sitting right on top of each other. And while they're selected, I will go to Object, Path, Join. Now they're joined together. Let's go over here, and we want to also join these two. They just look like they're joined, but they're not really joined. See that? So let's make sure, oops, go back. Let's make sure that those are, you see it keeps selecting this one right here because it's the one that's on top. So I want to put this one on top, Object, Arrange, Bring to Front, so that I can select this guy. Okay, and I want to put it right on top there. Okay, so that those two anchor points are right on top of each other. Again, I will select both anchor points, Object, Path, Join. Now I have one continuous path that goes all the way around. Have fun.